Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding or changing tags on your YouTube videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you can do this during the initial video upload process, but you're welcome to do it after the fact, after the video's already been uploaded. So if the video's already been uploaded, you can just go ahead and select the video tab and then select the video in question, or you can select the little detail icon next to it. And then scroll down underneath where it says show more, and then scroll down again. Underneath tags, you can go ahead and insert tags here and then hit enter or commas if you want to copy and paste some tags in here. You're limited to 500 characters maximum for all of your tags in aggregate. And then you would select save to save that, and that is all you would have to do. Again, very similar process. If you just were to upload the video, you just would scroll down as you're selecting, the privacy settings, the age restricted settings. There would be an option to go ahead and actually add the tags, just like I showed there. And it's a pretty straightforward process on how to do it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.